Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In our Linux series, our next video is about file permissions. Here I am displaying all my files in the current directory in long format. Let's display any one file, a.txt. Here you can see one -and rwx and again rwx and again rwx. Here R means read, W means write and X means execute. It gives permission to everyone to do everything. Like anyone can read the file, anyone can write the file and change the content of it, and anyone can execute the file. Here each permission has a value. Value of R is 4 and value of W is 2 and value of X is 1. And here you can see one hyphen and the remaining things. It is a file, that's why it's displaying an hyphen, so it is a regular file. In here you can see it displays D because it's a directory. If I display the bin file in root directory, here it displays L because it's a symbolic link. We will discuss about this symbolic link in our later videos. Here RWX, it means this part belongs to owner of the file. It means who owns the file at now. The next RWX is group. It means whoever in the group can read, write and execute this file. And the next RWX is other than someone is not a owner or and that user account is not in this group can able to do these things. At now everything has RWX. Now let's change that chmod 000 a.txt. Now I'm again displaying this. If I try to read the file, it says permission denied because I changed the access rights to the owner. So that's it in this permission. In our next video, we will see how to change the permissions like this and how to change the owner and group of the current file. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.